Live Good Day po. Kumusta? Member ka naman ni Live Good? Or hindi pa? Kung member na, kumusta naman ang spillover? Medyo mabagal ba? Or kumusta ang recruit? Hindi maka-recruit dahil medyo wala pang proof? Okay, makinig ka dito kahit hindi ka pa member ni Live Good or you are currently member of Live Good, especially Team Mindoro. Makinig ka kasi nag-iisip kami solusyon tungkol dito. So, panoorin mo yung susunod na mga videos at makinig ka. Alright, our goal here is to gather at least 1,000 members regardless of their rank, whether a former Live Good member or a currently active member of Live Good, or even the invitation is also open for a non-member of Live Good. With this, we will arrange 1,000 people and give them designated number from number 1 to 1,000. So here how it goes. Number 1 will have the member, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6 as his first 5 direct referrals. Number 2 will have members number 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 as his first 5 direct referrals. Number 3 will have members number 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 as his or her first 5 direct referrals. Until number 200 will have member number 1,000. To repeat the cycle, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 will give another direct referral. So forth and so on as number goes up. So, bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy, let's discuss first the income on this system. So, syempre sa unang linggo na sumali ka dito, and automatically magkakaroon ka ng your first 5 direct referral, of which will give you an income of $25 each, a total of $125 on that week. And you will rank up to bronze level. Okay. Now, let's proceed to second week. After second week of joining, your 5 direct referrals under you will also have each 5 direct referrals, of which will give you an income of $5 each direct referral second generation. So 25 second generation direct referral multiplied by $5, that is $125 again. And of course, as we further go on the third level or third week of joining here in Live Good Circle of 1,000, your 25 direct level second generation will also have 25 direct referral each. Okay? the total of 125 direct referral on a third level or third generation, which will give you a rate of commissions of 2.5% or $2.5 each. 125 direct referral on third generation multiplied by $2.5, which will give you an income of $312.5 that week. And of course, once you reach the fourth level or the fourth week after joining here in Live Goods Cycle of 1,000, your first 5 direct referral will have 125 direct each on a fourth generation of direct referral, which will give you another 5% of $50, which is amounting to $2.5 each. So 5 times 125 direct referral on a fourth generation, that is 625 direct referral on a fourth generation to be multiplied by $2.5 each will give you an income of $1,562.5 that week. And you will definitely rank up to platinum rank. Now, let's proceed to computations of the combined income from first level to fourth level. From the first level, you'll receive a $125. On the second level, you'll have another $125. On the third level or third week, you'll have $312.5. And on the fourth level, you'll have $1,562.5. A total of $2,125, or in peso, if 56 is the current exchange rate, 119,000 pesos. Wow, wow, wow. Grabe. Now, let's talk about the future potential income with this system once we reach the diamond level. So, direct referral commission, maybe $300 to $1,000 per week. Matrix commissions of $2,000 to $3,000, $16,000 per month. A matching bonus of $5,000 to $30,000 additional monthly income. And an optional income coming from retail commission or by commission from selling, customer acquisition bonuses, diamond pool bonuses, and crown diamond pool bonuses. Wow, wow, wow. So with this system, kita nyo, sakitaan pa lang dito, solve na yung tatlong problema nyo. So, Cycle of 1,000 Data of Analysis, kung saan ipinapakita dito yung mga pag-aaral kung paano tayo nag-arrive sa ganong sistema. So, aralin natin kung paano ba yan. Cycle of 1,000 power 5 plus 2 plus 2. So, sa nakikita nyo sa graph, yung number dito sa unang-unahan, of which 1, 5, 25, 125, 625, and 3125, are number of people needed to continue the cycle. On the second row, you will see the first, second, and third, of which represent the number of cycle per 1,000. And on the third row, you will see the number of people giving their designated assigned direct referral in due time. So, paano nakakatulong yung kanilang ads on direct referral? Dito nyo makikita kung saan masosustain yung number of enrollee doon sa number na kailangan ng cycle of 1,000 in the power of 5. Plus 2 plus 2. So, meaning to say, after the first cycle, the first generation is going to give or provide 2 direct referral in able to continue the cycle. And on a fourth level or fourth cycle of this cycle of 1,000, you'll be needing another 2 direct referral from the original member of cycle of 1,000. Meaning to say, once we reach the number of 4,000 people below us, the first original member of cycle of 1,000 will be needing to add additional 2 direct referral to continue the cycle na hindi kakapusin yung susunod na generation. Then, after the 12,000 people has been enrolled, that was the third time, the third cycle goes. So, 12,000 people needed, we will be asking another 2 direct referral from the original members of 1,000. So, cycle of 1,000. And then after that, pahinga ka na. Maghintay ka na lang ng pera. All you had to do is do your obligation, monitor your direct referral kung nagagawa ba nila yung mga dapat nilang gawin. So, ganun lang yun. Sa palagay ko, hindi magiging problema yung paglalagay ng direct referral. Pwede mo nga kasi silang abunuhan eh. Kasi dami mo nang kita nun eh. Kahit pa paano, bawasan mo ng $100 para makapagpaluwag ka dun sa 2 new members. And then, after na kumita yung pinasok mong 2 na pinaluwagan mo, edi singilin mo, kaya nilang magbayad kasi on the first week, meron silang $125. Dito sa way na to, you will practice people become successful by helping others to become successful. Sino pa ba yung tutulungan mo? Di syempre yung mga mahal mo sa buhay na hindi member ni Live Good. Bakit ka maghahanap ng iba pa? Pwede mo naman, basta tiyakin mo lang na yung 2 nilagay mo will be committed the same as the commitment na ibibigay binigay ng cycle of 1,000 para magtuloy-tuloy ito. O syempre may mga kaparaanan para di gumulo yung lahat. Sa isang cycle, 1,000 ng 1,000, 2 beses kang dapat magbigay. Una, matapos ang 1,000, maglalagay ka. After 2,000, maglalagay ka uli. So, halimbawa, ang number mo ay number 560. Kailan ka maglalagay uli? Kapag ka ang numero na ng lalagyan ay 1,560, that's the time na kinakailangan mong maglagay ng 2. And then, kapag sumapit na sa 3,560, depende sa bilis ng daloy ng pagre-rehistro, magbibigay ka ulit ng another 2 direct referral coming from you. So, tutulong ka ulit sa 2. Ganun yun. Now, another topic is sa pantahang takdang panahon ng paglalagay ng 2 downline. Kung ang takbo ng pagpaparehistro ay 100 tao kada linggo, sa makatuwid, ito ay gugugol ng 10 linggo o 2.5 buwan. Kung 4 weeks in a month. Ang deadline natin ay tuwing Thursday. I-rehistro ang 1,000 katao. Sa makatuwid, may sapat kang panahon para makahanap ng 2 downline na ilalagay matapos ang unang 1,000 at makakalikom ka ng sapat na halaga para dito. Kung ang iyong numero ay 560, pag nag-umpisa sa 5 linggo, may re-rehistro ka after 5 weeks. So, sapat na makakahanap ka ng 2 na ilalagay mo. Pero kung mas magiging mabilis ang pagre-rehistro, maaaring 200 to 500 per week, mas mabilis ang cycle o paglalagay ng 2 direct referral. Siyempre, kinakailangang maging maingat sa pagre-rehistro sapagkat kaunting pagkahamali ay malaking problema. Sa pagpapatuloy, sa sunod na cycle, kung ang namahala ng pagre-rehistro ng tao ay si number 1, sa susunod naman ay number 2, number 3 sa pagpaparehistro sa dagdag na 2,000. Ibig sabihin, sa mga susunod na panahon, ang original member ng Cycle of 1,000 ay mamamahala ng tigi 1,000 member. Kung kaya marapat na mag-aral ukol dito, madali lang naman kung tutusin, kung pag-uukulan ng panahon. Saka thousands of dollars na kita mo nun. Di mo pa ba pag-uukulan ng panahon o iintindihin itong Cycle of 1,000 na to? Nanong mga panahong yaon, nasisiguro ko na milyon na ang kinikita mo. Okay, sa makatuwid, ang pagre-rehistro ay continuously prerequisite. Ano ba ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin, may tamang pagkakasunod-sunod. Kung ang irerehistrong number ay si number 560, sisiguruhin mo nang nakarehistro si number 555, 556, 557, 558, and 559 para masiguro na tuloy-tuloy ito at walang anumang kalituhang magaganap. Okay, pagsasakatuparan ng plano. Basta yung dalawa mong pinasali, ganun din ang gagawin, tutulong din sa dalawang tao. Dito sa sistema na to, commitment lang ang kailangan para maging matagumpay ito. Ito naman, buwan ng kita makalagpas sa level 10 sa matrix. Malamang wala na tayong weekly pass start nun kasi hanggang 10th level lang yung weekly pass start. Pero dahil sa level 15 ang napuno mo matrix, 32,760, tatanggap ka ng buwan ng matrix. Pag napuno inuulit ko, pag napuno, tatanggap ka ng buwan ng matrix commission na nagkakahalaga ng $16,383.5 o 917,476 pesos per month. Plus matching bonus mula sa 5 direct referral na maaaring nung time na yun kumikita na rin ang kinikita mo. So, 16,383.5 times 5, that is $81,000, 917.5. Sa piso, tumataginting, na 2,293,690 pesos. Wow, wow, wow. Buwanang kita yan, buwanan. So, napakarami mong matutulungan ito. Napakalaki. Pwedeng mabago sa buhay mo kapag ka kumikita ka na ng ganito kalaking pera. So, sumahin natin. So, nakikita nyo naman, 917,000 plus 2 million plus is equals 3.2 million 211,166 pesos per month. Sa 3.2 million pesos per month, sumobra lang ng zero yung nasa drop. Kapag lahat tayo sumasahod niya, babaha ng dollars dito sa Pilipinas. Di ba? Grabe. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Sa ganitong kitaan, lahat ng pangarap natin, makakamit natin. Okay? Hindi ba kayo nahilo doon? Sa dami ng perang kwenta natin. Madali lang yung sistema. Commitment lang. Mag-commit kayo ng buong puso. Mag-aral. Nagbibigay ito sa atin. Isipin mo, milyon-milyon yung posible natin kitain dito. Kung magtutuloy-tuloy ito, maniwala kayo, marami tayong babaguhin buhay. So, again, this is Coach Gerald from Team Mindoro. Tulungan nyo ako. Tulungan natin yung mga sarili natin. Live good day po.